Welcome to 10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. The one who implemented the subsidiary alliance system was Dalhousie, Wellesley, Cornwallis, William Bentinck. Correct answer is Wellesley. The leader who revolted against the British in Kanpur, Mangal Pandey, Dondia Wagh, Nana Sahib, Bahadur Shah II. Nana Sahib. Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th December, 15th March, 6th June, 11th July. 10th December. The movement opposing Kaiga nuclear power plant was led by Dr. Shivram Karanth, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Kusuma Swaraba, Professor M.D. Nanjundaswamy. The movement opposing Kaiga nuclear power plant was led by Dr. Shivram Karanth. Mukanayaka periodical was started by Mahatma Gandhi, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The place that receives the least rainfall in India is Ruili, Mausinram, Agumbe, Kudremukh. Ruili is the correct answer. The true development of India is the development of its villages was stated by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Amartya Sen, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What was the effect of Shah Alam II giving Kora and Allahabad to Marathas? This resulted in the enmity between the Marathas and the British. What is disarmament? Disarmament means the reduction or elimination of certain or all armaments for the purpose of ending armaments race. What is mango showers? Due to local temperature and winds, rainfall occurs in Karnataka during April and May. This is known as mango showers. How is black soil formed? The black soil is formed from the weathering of igneous rock. What is decentralization? Providing the administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to its own people is called administrative decentralization. Who is the father of Indian Renaissance? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Lord Lytton brought in Domestic Papers Control Act in 1875. Why? To exercise control over the Indian publications. Why did Lord Ripon bring Ilbert Bill? To bring in uniformity in the judicial system. How the term bank is derived? The term bank is derived from old Italian word banco or from a French word banque. Both mean a bench or money exchange table. How is the word entrepreneur derived? The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre, which means to undertake some activity.